Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
There's only one thing you need to keep in mind when you're doing your eye makeup, and that is to blend. But with so many brushes available, it can get really difficult to figure out which ones you actually need and if you actually need all the brushes that are available out there. Well, not really, but if you're willing to attempt a more complicated eye makeup look like the one that I have going on right now, then you might just need more than one brush. Tapered brushes like this one are a must-have for when you want to apply and blend your transition shades seamlessly. It's ideal for loose and pressed powder shadows. This is a smaller and a more dense version of the tapered blending brush. It applies eyeshadow precisely into the crease of the eyelid without leaving any harsh patches. The tapered tip is great for contouring to add depth and definition, which can make your eyes look bigger. This brush makes it easy to apply eyeshadow in the corner, add more depth to the crease and apply more intense pigment on my eyelids. Patting on eyeshadow is super simple with this brush thanks to the compact bristles. This works well for all sorts of eyeshadows, even glitter. This brush is great for creating the V in the outer corner of your eyes and for the infamous smoky eye look. Smudge your kajal or shadow with this brush or use it to add a darker pigment on top of a lighter one. This brush brings it all together. It perfectly blends any harsh and unwanted edges in your look and single-handedly takes your eye makeup game to the next level. This one is perfect for drawing on a wing and can be used with your cream or gel formulas. Sure, it takes some practice, but trust me, you'll love this brush once you get a hang of it. So this was a brush guide for anyone who wants to be a pro at the eye makeup game, but just having these brushes won't make the cut. You definitely need to practice a lot to blend like a pro, and these brushes will make the job easier. Also, I'd suggest you to buy good quality ones right in the beginning, but there definitely are a lot of affordable options out there. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section below. Also, POPxo shop is live now. You can get amazing pouches, phone covers, cushion covers and whatnot. Make sure you go check that out. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.